Hi, this is Linda from Beston Amusement. I'd like to introduce our Trackless train for your better knowing today. So the normal structure is one engine and two cars. Now let me show more details on the engine. So there are totally 4 cameras on the engine. The first one, and the second one, then the other 2 cameras at the engine back. Here, and the other one. So there are totally 4 cameras. The whole engine is covered by the fiberglass, the body. So the color, the seam, and the steel is able to be customized. In the power, there are 3 optional power: the diesel, the gas, and the electric. Then the bell. And let's go to the driving room. It is enough space for the driver. There are 2 seats. This is the gear lever, the steering wheel, the instrument board, and the air conditioner. And here the screen for the cameras. And then there are the radio, the music, the speaker, all in one space. So this is very comfortable for the driver. Now follow me to check the cars. We use the automobile technology to make the cars. As you see, the doors, the frame, and the roof, they are metal plate, the stamping parts. And there are total 5 bench here, in the 4 person of each bench. So one car is able to hold 20 passengers. And there is a camera on each car back. Then the connection of the cars, their air brake, and the electricity. Let's see the second car. The camera of each car and the tail light. They are the turn lights. One is the left, one is the right. So this is our whole structure. The structure is able to hold 42 passengers. We accept any customization on the train. If you have any idea, please contact us. We are Beston.